Welcome to the Run of Kutch. Across the Thar Desert in Gujarat, this white salt land sleeps in silence until winter awakens it with color and celebration. The Ran Utsav, started in the early 2000s, celebrates the spirit of Kutch, its art, its music, and its people. Under the twilight sky, dancers move to the rhythm of dhols, and the sand shimmer like silver. Around Bhuj, Hodka, and Nirona, artisans craft embroidery, Lipan mirror art, Ajrak block print, and Bandhni tie-dye, each carrying stories passed through generations. Now, as you step into this virtual run, let the colors, the music, and the hands of Kutch share their timeless art.
Namaste. I'm Abdul Khatri. Welcome to my home in Nirona. Let me show you around.
A humble house with a legacy older than the village itself. 4 centuries ago, an art form traveled from Persia, crossing borders and generations until it found shelter in the lands of Kutch, Gujarat, India. There, it became more than just an art form. It became an identity. Here, the story lives through Abdul, an 8th-generation heir, among the very few keeping Rogan art alive today. The craft is born from warm and steady hands. Its thick, oil-based paint is stretched and shaped in the air, never touching the fabric directly. When the cloth is folded, the freehand motifs, much like henna, align into perfect mirrored patterns. These patterns are drawn not by a brush, but by memory and skill, every piece unique and never the same. Step into the workshop next door to experience the Rogan art form. At this station, pure castor oil is slowly heated for 6 to 12 hours until it turns into a thick golden resin. Once it cools down, you get a stretchy material called Rogan that can be colored using pigments. Here, pigments are ground into powder and mixed using a rhythmic, repeated beating of the pestle, transforming the Rogan until it becomes smooth, glossy, and stretchy. It has now reached the perfect consistency, ready for you to try at the next station. Pick up the metal stylus in any color of your choice and follow the template below to draw your pattern. If the pigment cools, gently warm it again by rubbing it on your palm. Draw slightly above the fabric like you're pulling a fine silk thread, guiding the Rogan into a continuous line before it meets the fabric. After trying your hand at Rogan art, you can move on to the next workshop to explore the intricate world of traditional block printing. After Rogan, we now enter the world of Ajrak, another traditional craft carried forward by the same Khatri artisan community for over 400 years. Ajrak is a slow, intricate process that uses natural dyes and hand-carved wooden blocks. The fabric is first washed and treated so it can properly absorb color. Then, artisans apply special pastes using wooden blocks through resist printing, a technique that prevents certain areas from taking color. Earthy tones like black, white, and red are characteristic of Ajrak art. The cloth is then dipped into an indigo vat, followed by boiling to develop the deep reds and bold blacks. Each piece takes weeks to create and is printed with such precision that the design appears beautifully on both sides. Ajrak celebrates nature and balance. Blue like the sky, red like the sun, and black like the earth. Now, you can try the process yourself. Use the 2 blocks and place them alternately to reveal the Ajrak pattern.